I quit the gym dozens of times because I felt awkward and I thought everyone was judging me, but they weren't. Here's what's actually going through their heads and why you belong there more than you think. I've been in and out of gym since I was 16, 17, and every January I see the same pattern. The new resolutions comes in, people are starting to post online on Instagram photos of them running, photos of them at the gym, super motivated, super cool. But then after some months, even some weeks, people just fade out and never show up again. And it's not because they're lazy, it's because people are just overwhelmed. They see a lot of people around them doing better, being stronger. You feel like, yeah, why am I not like that if every time, every single year I'm training? Those people are constantly training and you feel like you wanted to catch up in a very short amount of time, but you know, years of training you cannot catch up in 1 or 2 months. And then we quit. You quit, they quit. I felt like that for years. I couldn't wear a tank top because my arms were not big enough or something like that. I thought I felt uncomfortable. And you feel uncomfortable because you think people are watching you. After years not realizing it, now when I get to the gym, nobody, but exactly nobody looks at you. Take the step to go to the gym or to do your training. And then you're doing your training, and even then, unconsciously, you're thinking, all right, but am I doing this right? Is it not too ridiculous how I'm doing this? I saw this new workout online and I don't see anybody doing that. Maybe it's not a right or correct exercise I'm doing, a correct workout I'm doing. I don't know. Yeah. And after that, you feel overwhelmed and you don't come back. Or you just stop your session and you go home. The real truth is that even those muscular persons, those very fit persons, even they sometimes not confident enough. They're just doing the workout they planned and they feel like, okay, am I doing this perfectly fine? Am I doing this exercise good? Is my form good? Is this workout good? Am I looking good? They're looking up to someone else maybe, but they're not even caring about people coming in. They're just so focused on themselves. I see that all the time. People are just all the time looking in the mirrors. That's amazing. They're all looking in the mirrors. They want to get in shape. They're looking, okay, am I looking good? How am I looking? Is my hoodie good? Do I have strong arms? Everything like that. Same for runners, same for everyone else doing sport. Is my fit good enough? How do I look? People don't care. When you come in, I don't see anybody looking at me. And the vice versa. When people coming in, I'm not even looking at people coming in. I'm just looking at myself in the mirror or maybe in the reflection of a window. When I'm running, for example, I'm not looking at anybody. Nobody is looking at you. And if they're looking at you, they think like, that's good. This person is coming. He or she wants to get in shape. That's amazing. I think like that. I feel like when somebody is not in shape and they go into the gym, they're going to run, I feel like you're doing a great job. You want to get in shape. That's amazing. And then you move on and you think again about yourself. How am I looking? Do I look good? Taking pictures, looking at everything you're doing and not what everyone is doing around you. You don't even care. If this little advice is already helping you, do me a favor and hit the subscribe and the like button because it helps me out to give more tips to people to get in shape and to keep working on themselves. That's my whole point. That's my whole motivation, to motivate each other and to grow together. I don't feel like a elite athlete either, you know? I feel like I'm progressing. I feel like I'm doing good. I'm going somewhere and I'm getting better every time I train. The one or the two things I'm doing every single time to get less awkward, to progress, and just to not give up, like to not feel like everyone is watching me, to not feel like I'm on stage, but just I'm at the gym doing my own exercises, are two things. Showing up consistently, because showing up gives you confidence that you're doing something better and better every single time. And that confidence, you start to forget what people are thinking. Second of all, is I'm giving myself permission to grow at my own pace. Everyone has another story. Everyone started somewhere else. Everyone goes for another goal. So give yourself permission to just do your own thing. Your thing is good enough. You don't need to look at the strongest person in the room. You don't need to look at the fittest person in the room. You just need to look at yourself and be better every single day. So this video is very short, it's just a little motivational, maybe for myself as well, to just get comfortable showing up every single time and just focus on yourself. You're doing great, you're doing good. If you're doing something, you're probably doing very good, better than yesterday. And that's the whole point. It doesn't matter if you're doing your squats very heavy, very perfect, you're getting better at it. It doesn't matter if you're running slow or fast, you're getting faster anyhow. It doesn't matter if you're wearing Nike, Adidas, or anything else. It does all not matter. The most important is showing up. So if you're watching this is your sign to just go and show up. Doesn't matter which training, doesn't matter what you're doing, show up. And look, right now I'm starting on one-on-one coaching with people, so the hassle of thinking what you should do every single training, you remove that, you give that to me. The thinking is on my part, the working is on our part. So if you want to be coach one-on-one to get better every single day, get in shape just a little bit, hit me on Instagram, hit me on TikTok, just send me a DM and we'll work together. And with that said, as always, let's get jacked together.